Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs. Hope you're having a great day today. And I have an exciting sale to share with you. Cricut is having their spring cleaning sale, and they've got fabulous deals up to 60% off, and I didn't want you to miss out. So I'm going to show you kind of what's going on with this. So they have a bunch of bundle deals, which I'm going to show you in a minute because those are the best deals, I think. And then there you can get 30% off of vinyl, 30% off of the tools, and bright pads are only $69.99. But let me show you what is super exciting. So Cricut has put together these spring cleaning bundles, and there's 3 of these that are sets like this. And guess what? They're going to include a Cricut cutie in them. So each one has a different color Cricut cutie, which are those cute little figurines that everybody loves. And this particular spring bundle number 1, you're going to get everything you see here. And if you use my shop link, I really appreciate that. It helps support me continuing to make tutorial videos for you guys. But if you scroll down, once you get to this page, you're going to see the Cricut. You'll get the Cricut Cutie Flamingo, the Enchanted Material Kit, the Essential Tools Set, multi-gold pen set, holographic vinyl sampler, Cricut vinyl in cocoa, which is dark chocolate, glitter iron-on value pack, glitter iron-on sampler, which are the jewel tones, the deluxe paper Hello Kitty holiday, and transfer tape. So that's in bundle number 1. It's $248 value for $100 basically. Let's look at value number 2, which is the spring cleaning bundle deal. Now this one has a $270 value, and it's $99.99, but it has a different set of materials. And for this one, you're going to get the Raspberry Cutie. Okay, so you're going to get the Cricut Raspberry Cutie, an accessory pouch in blue, which is what you store your Cricut stuff in, Cricut tools in. Multi-gold pen set, Make Something You Love fabric material kit, Sparkle and Shine material kit every day, Sparkle and Shine material kit love, the glitter vinyl sampler, glitter vinyl value pack in the bejeweled tones, premium vinyl value pack in the vibrant colors, and you're going to get the chipboard sampler, which is the damask print. It's a white on the print that is perfect to use. And so you're going to get all this in the spring bundle number 2, okay? Spring bundle number 3, you're going to get everything you see here. So let's take a look at that. So you're going to get the Cricut Cutie in the lilac color, the accessory pouch in the denim, which is a darker blue, kind of a more of a gray, I guess, and Make Something You Love faux leather material kit, the Sparkle and Shine material kit in love, glitter vinyl sampler metallic, glitter vinyl in gold, glitter vinyl value roll in black, a vinyl sampler, a vinyl bright sampler, and glitter iron-on classic pack, plus transfer tape. So you're going to get all of that in your kit if you buy spring cleaning bundle number 3. All right, so there's still some other deals I want to show you real quick. Now, this bundle does not have, let me go back. This bundle here is the spring cleaning bundle number 4. It does not include a Cricut Cutie. However, it is a great deal at only $39.99. So if you don't have $100 right now to spend, but you still want to get in on one of these spring cleaning bundles, this is a great one to look at. So you're going to get everything you see here. Let's take a look at what that is. So you're going to get the Marvel Avengers Deluxe paper. You're going to get the Vintage Mickey Mouse Deluxe paper and the Princess Magic Deluxe paper. Plus you're going to get a set of the glitter gel pens, which are fabulous. I love them. And this is the bright color one. And then you're going to get a bunch of the premium Cricut vinyl. So you're going to get tomato red, black, maize yellow, turquoise. And then you're going to get a sampler pack in the brights. And you're going to get a sampler pack in the basic colors. Now these premium permanent vinyl ones are the ones that I was telling you guys you can use to put on cups and mugs and things like that, and it's going to stick and stay, and you can use it in the dishwasher. All right, so holographic sparkle vinyl in red. So that is the spring cleaning bundle number 4, and it's only $39.99. All right, so fabulous spring cleaning deals. There's a couple other things I wanted to share with you. They've also put together some special bundles for the Cricut Maker machine. So those are also on sale. There's also some of the Cricut Explore machines are on sale with some bundles. So there's some good deals here if you're looking for one of those. And the Cricut Easy Presses have been put together in some great bundle deals too. So if you've been holding off on getting a Cricut Easy Press, maybe you got some money for Mother's Day and it's burning a hole in your pocket and you're ready to buy something, you might want to consider getting one of the Cricut Easy Press bundles. All right, so let's take a look at this. So thanks for your support by using my shop link. I really appreciate you when you do that. I get a little commission from Cricut. It doesn't cost you any extra. It helps me support myself creating tutorial videos for you guys and supporting the Facebook groups. All right, but in exchange for this, if you spend $50 or more in the Cricut shop, you can use my promo code SMQD02 right here, SMQD02, and you'll get an additional 10% off plus free shipping in US and Canada, okay? And if you're a Cricut Access subscriber, you get an additional 10% off automatically because you're a Cricut Access subscriber. Now, this deal is not good if you buy one of the machines, okay? If you buy a machine or bulk or new products, you don't get the additional discount, but you can use the promo code SHIPMAY to get free shipping on a machine purchase, okay? So if you want to take advantage of one of these deals and you want to buy a machine, do them in two separate transactions so that then you can use either code and you'll get the best value that way. All right, so get out there, take a look at these awesome bundle deals. Get something that you're going to love, and let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment, and have a great day. Come join me in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group or the Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill Facebook group, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.